What are you doing? Are you climbing on the train? Are you going to go inside and drive it? Squeeze on in. Hi. Whoa, I hear a train whistle. Do you hear that? Beep beep. Can you flip some of the switches up there? Right there, look at those switches work. Does this lever work? Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Hayden. Are you driving the train? All right. Can you blow the whistle? Where's the whistle?
No.
Beep beep. Yeah.
Yes.
Pull the whistle. Pull the whistle.
No.
Where is it? It's right here.
No more.
Oh!
No more.
Beep beep.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Daddy Turtle.
Yeah, you're riding on the choo-choo. Are you getting out? You can do it. Well, I'm not helping you. Should we go see what else is around in here? Should we see all the parts that we can work on? There's Mom. Did you show Mom you're riding the train? Show Mom where the whistle is. Yeah, are you going to ride on that train too, the yellow one?
Wow,
Yeah.
guys, those are engines.
Hayden, go inside. Show Mommy how you go inside. You can blow the whistle.
Wait, that's quite a train.
He can fit in.
No helping. Okay.
Are you going to go in there too, Em?
Wow, buddy. Let me see ya. Are you the train conductor?
Can you blow the whistle once? Pull the cord and blow the whistle. It's right up above you.
Let me see. Look at Mom and see.
You can do it. You got to go inside.
Whoa. That's a loud whistle.
You want to go inside? Here, I'll help you. Okay, we won't blow the whistle anymore. But come on in. There you go. You did it. You did it.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, do that once more. Ready? Choo choo. That's pretty neat. Are you driving? You're all done in that one?
Yeah, you're working on the railroad. What do all the other ones do? There's lots of levers and switches.
This is pretty neat. At least you got away from that one.
Yeah.
Here, stand right there like you're in charge. Like Sir Topham Hatt. Whoa! Are you in charge of the railway?
That's the horn.
That's the horn that made that noise earlier. What do you think about that? Hey, what color is that train engine? What color is the horn inside?
Red.
And what color are those lights?
What's that?
Are you right now?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
We're at the rail fair.
Yay. Is it a rail fair?
Hey, look at me. Hayden, look at me with Emma.
Hayden, take a look at mommy.
One big picture. No? Okay, that's good. Emma, you stand up on your side, and Hayden stand up on your side, and smile. That's a good one. Thanks, guys. Once more. Yay! Say, are we at the train park? Choo-choo park.
What color is that train?
Choo-choo park. Hayden, Emma. Hayden. Look at.
Hayden.
I'm not gonna do it.